Hi, everyone. Today, we will explore an ancient yet magical technology together, the Mercury Switch. We utilize it to create an interesting, small application, a Mercury Switch alarm. The youyeetoo X1 is a model launched by youyeetoo Tech x86 architecture single-board computer, capable of running the full-featured versions of Windows and Linux, characterized by low cost and high performance. First, let us begin by understanding Mercury. The principle of Mercury conductivity is actually quite straightforward. When Mercury comes into contact with both ends of the switch, the circuit is then completed. It's akin to opening a door. The electric current can then flow smoothly through. Our Mercury switch operates on this principle. When it senses rotation, it acts like a switch to open or close the circuit. The manufacturing process of this alarm is quite straightforward. We only need a few GPIO lines, a Mercury switch, and some LED lights. You can easily create one with just a few GPIO pins, a Mercury switch, and some LED lights. You can effortlessly craft your own Mercury Switch alarm, regardless of whether you are a tech novice or an electronics enthusiast. Both novices and enthusiasts can easily complete this interesting mini project. Let's now proceed to deconstruct the underlying code. Within the code, we initially activate a GPIO controller named DevGPIO Chip 0. Subsequently, we acquire 5 GPIO lines. We set LINEH19 to input mode. We configure it to read the status of the Mercury switch. The other GPIO lines are set to output mode. They are configured to control the illumination of the LED lights. In the main loop, we continuously read the value of LINEH19. If the value is 1, it indicates that the Mercury switch is closed. If the value is 1, we then illuminate all the LED lights. Through this method, we have implemented a simple Mercury switch alarm system. So, what are we waiting for? Quickly pick up the development board in your hands. Let's get started and make one together. Let's create our own Mercury switch alarm system.